In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix the media offline error in DaVinci Resolve even when your files are still on your computer step by step. Let's get started. First, open DaVinci Resolve and load your project where you see the media offline error. You'll usually notice red clips on your timeline or missing media in the viewer. Now here's where most people get confused. They think the files are deleted, but in reality, DaVinci Resolve has just lost the connection to the file path. So the files are still there, but the software doesn't know where to find them. Next, go to the media pool and right-click on one of the offline clips. Click on Relink selected clips. Now browse to the folder where your original footage is stored. Make sure you select the correct parent folder, not just one single file. DaVinci Resolve will automatically scan and reconnect all matching clips. Now here's something many people don't know. If relinking doesn't work, the issue is usually caused by a changed drive letter or moved folder structure. For example, if your footage was on a D drive and now it's showing as E drive, DaVinci Resolve will break the link completely. Another important tip is related to cache and proxies. Sometimes DaVinci Resolve keeps old cache data that causes clips to stay offline even after relinking. To fix this, go to Playback in the top menu, then click Delete Render Cache, and choose All. If you are using proxy media, make sure to toggle off Use Proxy Media to see if the original files reconnect properly. If your footage still shows media offline, try restarting DaVinci Resolve after fixing the paths. This forces the software to refresh all media links. Once everything is corrected, your clips should automatically turn back to normal and the red media offline warning will disappear. And that's it. You've just fixed the media offline error in DaVinci Resolve even when your files were still there. I hope this helped. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more DaVinci Resolve tutorials.